Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, tow hitch, power sunroof, power passenger seat, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, security system, heated steering wheel, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats, compass, rear window defroster, electronic stability control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.